Hi everyone, Joe here, and today we take a look at the best apps to catch up with your favorite news. When you talk about news on a mobile, Flipboard is the first choice that comes to mind. Making its way in between a news aggregator and a social network, Flipboard really behaves the way you want it to. You don't have to be an expert in any sense to use it. Just sign in, choose your favorite topics, and you're good to go. However, if you feel the need of a more in-depth experience, you can create your own magazines, follow other users, and customize your feed the way you want. The interface is also a plus, giving the magazine look and the user-friendly UI. If you're looking for a good balance between completeness and ease of use, this is it. Feedly is basically the father of most of the news and feeds aggregators out there on the Play Store, and for some good reasons. In terms of performances and source choice, you'd have a bad time in beating it. Apart from mainstream websites, you can also add every customized RSS you can think of, and that has come really handy to me in more than one case. The interface is simple and pretty easy to use, but it doesn't lack some basic customization. If you're not looking for anything fancy, Feedly will perfectly satisfy your news reading needs. Moving to the more serious side of news, Pulse is pretty much unbeatable. Since the LinkedIn acquisition, the Pulse team has transformed the app almost into a LinkedIn feed, with articles about finance, economy, jobs and productivity. However, you do get some degree of customization about feeds, but if you're looking for something 100% yours, this is probably not it. Where the app shines, however, is in neatness and overall look, which really conveys that newspaper feel that lots are trying to get. Paperboy is a Feedly-inspired RSS aggregator that does everything it can to surpass its predecessor, and honestly it does it pretty well. As for the UI, Paperboy adopts a more modern and more refined material design that's much more enjoyable to see and use. Something cool and new is the picture wall, which is a nice addition that lets you scroll through just the images within the articles, to choose with a different approach what you're going to read. I'm also particularly enjoying the show summary feature, which gives you a short summary of the article on the fly, cropping the time you'd lose in reading a piece you're not interested in. Overall, Paperboy does its job and you gotta give it credit for coming up with some nice features you rarely find anywhere else. I'll be honest, Palabra is my favorite one in this list. Yes, it's mostly Feedly inspired, just like Paperboy, but it does so much more that it's difficult not to tell the difference. Apart from the gorgeous material design, Palabra also allows you to customize almost everything, from the theme to the article view to the cache size. The built-in full-screen mode is also a plus, and the font choice within the articles is wider than any other app in this list. In short, this is probably the most complete and the most customizable newsreader out there, so whatever kind of reader you are, you might want to give it a try.